Welcome to the NorthOps Fire Weather Webcast for Monday, September 5th, 2022. This morning's water vapor loop shows strong upper-level ridging centered over the Great Basin and continuing to build west over NorthOps. Visible satellite imagery shows shallow marine stratus limited to the north coast with areas of smoke filling northwest valleys. Otherwise, sunny skies prevail across NorthOps with a few mid-level instability indicator clouds approaching southeastern areas. 500 millibar forecast maps show an upper-level ridge building west across California today, with the ridge axis becoming centered overhead tonight. The ridge will continue to strengthen Tuesday and Wednesday, bringing a significant heat wave to the area, which will persist through the week. The atmosphere will dry quickly under the influence of the strengthening ridge, with poor to very poor overnight relative humidity recoveries developing. Limited amounts of mid-level moisture will begin filtering into portions of the area this afternoon and Tuesday, increasing the potential for afternoon cumulus buildups and enhancing afternoon instability, which combined with the very hot and extremely dry conditions will support an increasing potential for large column development over ongoing large fires. By Wednesday, there may be just enough mid-level moisture in place to support isolated to widely scattered thunderstorm development, with a small upper-level wave containing remnant tropical moisture moving north along the coast and crossing portions of the Northwest Mountains. This GACC WRF 24-hour precipitation forecast image through Wednesday afternoon shows a good depiction of the areas more likely to see thunderstorm activity on Wednesday. Of most concern right now are northwest portions of the area where fast-moving, high-based dry thunderstorms may develop in response to the upper-level wave lifting north. In other north and east areas, fairly dry thunderstorms are possible as well, though the coverage of those storms should remain isolated. Wind and relative humidity graphics for this morning show that overnight relative humidity recoveries continued to worsen last night. Locally breezy north-northwest to northeast winds will continue to diminish through the morning. Locally breezy southwest winds of 15 to 25 miles an hour from the Cascade Sierra Crest eastward will develop this afternoon, with west-southwest to northwest sea breeze and coastal gap winds favoring near coastal areas. Afternoon relative humidities will drop into the upper single digits and teens over broad portions of the area. Overnight relative humidity recoveries will continue to worsen tonight, with locally breezy north-northwest winds developing again in western portions of the Sacramento Valley and northeast downslope winds along the lower Cascade Sierra west slopes. Additional concerns include increasingly unstable afternoon conditions supporting deep vertical mixing and increasing the potential for large column development, as well as mixing down stronger west to southwest winds aloft in portions of the Northwest Mountains and bringing gustier than normal afternoon winds. Extremely poor relative humidity recoveries will continue to become more widespread Tuesday night. Similar conditions to Tuesday will repeat Wednesday, though with an uptick in both afternoon wind speeds and the degree of afternoon instability. 500 millibar forecast graphics for Thursday through Sunday show strong upper-level ridging remaining in place through around Friday and continuing the very hot and dry conditions. The ridge will begin shifting to the east this weekend, allowing a cooling trend to begin. A trough moving in from the west and/or tropical moisture remnants from the south may start moving into the area this weekend or early next week, though model details and timing remain rather uncertain. Recent model runs have trended significantly drier for Thursday and Friday, largely removing the thunderstorm potential during this time period, though uncertain chances do continue for this weekend through early next week. This particular model run shows dry conditions this weekend, though others still do bring shower and thunderstorm potential north Saturday and Sunday. Wind graphics show a relatively light general wind pattern continuing with locally breezy west-southwest to northwest coastal gap winds and southwest winds from the Cascade Sierra Crest eastward each afternoon and evening through Friday, with a potential increase in southwest flow around Saturday. The NorthOps significant fire potential outlook shows broad areas of high risk for heat wave conditions combined with very dry conditions both day and night, locally breezy conditions, and unstable afternoons continuing through the week, with high risk for lightning over the Northwest Mountains on Wednesday. ERC is already at or above the 97th percentile in most predictive surface areas away from the immediate coast will continue to climb rapidly and will likely reach record levels in a number of areas. The SouthOps significant fire potential outlook shows moderate risk conditions continuing across much of the area through the week. And now to sum up the NorthOps fire weather highlights. Strong upper-level ridging will bring very hot and unusually dry conditions this week. Near to record high temperatures will become widespread with very warm overnight conditions as well. Widespread very low relative humidities both day and night will expand west to include all but the most immediate coast due to a much shallower than normal marine layer and strong thermal belt influences. Locally breezy southwest winds will continue each afternoon in eastern areas with hot temperatures enhancing near coastal west-southwest to northwest sea breeze and gap winds. Additionally, unstable conditions Tuesday and Wednesday afternoons will mix gustier than normal west to southwest winds down into the northwest mountain areas. Isolated to widely scattered thunderstorms are possible in north and east areas Wednesday, with dry, fast-moving storms over the northwest mountains.